the ancient world. A time of heroes, of legends, of getting shaken down for your lunch money.
Oh no!
That's you, puniest of the puny in a world obsessed with pumping the Iron Age. You hail from a land renowned for big armies, bigger muscles, and the biggest conquests anybody's ever seen. You'd give anything for a shot at glory. The closest you get is when soldiers-to-be take a shot at you. Stop squirming and let him hit ya! It's not the first time you've heard that line. But what can you do? When the gods gave out muscles, they must have missed your name. You accept that this is your fate, until the day you meet your destiny. And this guy, when the gods gave out brains, he said, "Durr, what's those?" You see and see and see him. The man who puts the dumb in dumbbell, Goliath! You expect him to storm off, or break the announcer in half, but he just shrugs, like it's familiar. You recognize that look. You've worn it your whole life. You'd think the fight would be over in seconds, but it's like watching a bear try to fight a bee by growing a stinger. This Goliath chases the guy, exhausting himself, and you realize, stop squirming and let him hit you.
You're smart.
You're big.
So we can be big smart?
You weren't built for glory, but maybe you could build it. It's not easy. Goliath is not a natural learner. Come on! I want the eye of the tiger. Why you giving me the dull stare of the family goat?
No.
But then your teaching needs work too. Things take time. When it clicks though, the world knows about it. But success makes you sloppy, and the louder the cheers get, the harder it is to hear each other. Goliath doesn't need a plan, Goliath is the plan. Your people worship a god of strength, and when the world cowers at your flip-flops, who could question that strength is everything? That's why it's so strange when you hear about a kingdom whose god isn't like yours. Hey Go, we're going to a valley tomorrow to fight people whose god believes in... This can't be right. Gentleness?
Cakewalk.
Sort of. You travel to the kingdom of Israel. Your army camps on one hill, theirs on another. For 40 days, your giant goes to challenge Israel to send out their greatest warrior, to settle it all in one-on-one combat.
Kiss Goliath's booty. Kiss his butt cheeks. Kiss his biceps.
It's possible he may have developed a bit of an ego. Finally, an Israelite volunteers, but the reports about him don't quite make sense. A kid with a sling? Perfect, shortest fight of all time, baby! Hold up, Goliath, I think we should strategize.
No think, just smash.
As Goliath strides to face the child champion, you tell yourself it'll be fine, but then you see him, towering over a tiny kid, and for the first time, you wonder what you've built.
Hi, Goliath. Who's in your corner to help you?
My best friend. Mwah.
I see. Well, I got God in my corner. The God of the heavens and the armies of Israel. Guess what? I'm gonna whoop you and cut off your ding-dang head. You booger, you bozo, you big fat bully.
You rush forward, but it's too late. The giant falls. The world quakes. The boy lifts Goliath's sword, and we'll skip what happens after that. The foot soldiers of the god of the child chase your Philistines across the land. You barely notice the panic, the shouting, the dust. You're too busy learning something. What you saw in the valley was not about being big or being smart. It was about believing. The boy, David, showed you that true power isn't always glorious, that it comes from restraint as much as strength, from humility, not hubris. And you are absolutely sure it's a lesson David will never forget. This is called foreshadowing.